What is up, everybody? We are over by PK's bike shop, and let me just show you this, guys, real quick. Right here is Officer Holton's new bike. Okay, we're about to bring it inside. He's inside, he's waiting for it. He hasn't gotten a new bike in God knows how long, decades. This guy deserves it, he's earned it, and he's about to train for the Police Unity Tour. I'll drop a link below of the video I did, but this is really cool. He's gonna get his new bike, he's gonna be stoked, and it's blue, and we have a special surprise for him, so let's go. Let's go inside. He just stopped by quickly here to pick this up. Thank you, Max. Where's the big guy? There's the big guy. Yeah. Look at this bad boy.
Awesome.
What do you think of that? And the color is nice. Max, hold this.
Okay.
All right, so let's stage it here. Let's take a look. Let's point out the cool things about this bike. Aside from the size, it's got a full. First of all, I want to give a shout out to Joel and Ron down at Cycling and Fitness for hooking this up. I couldn't get his size in, but they did. They gave us a great deal, so go give them a thumbs up, and we really appreciate that. It's got the carbon fork. It's got the full aluminum. It's got the Shimano Sora componentry, which is top-notch, super light. And the best thing about it, it's blue for the boys in blue, baby. What do you think of the bike?
I like it. Looks good.
Yeah?
Ready to get on it?
Are you ready to do some training? Are you ready for the real news? An anonymous caller called and bought this for you.
Oh, what?
I swear to God. So that makes it a little bit nicer, doesn't it?
That's awesome. That's awesome.
So you got yourself a really cool toy that you deserve and you earned. And I don't know, I know for myself, when I got a new bike, I don't care how old I was. It was like, you know, you were like a kid again at Christmas time and Santa just dropped off what you wanted. So yeah, so someone out there is looking out for you, and now you just gotta ride it. You gotta put the work in, buddy.
We're getting there.
All right, so guys, check out the video we made. Officer Holton, what do you think? Thumbs up?
Thumbs up. Ready to get on it. Appreciate all the help.
Let's do it. All right, guys. So we're getting donations for him and Officer quick. We're trying to get together them up in DC for the Police Unity Tour. Stay tuned. We got a lot more to come. And y'all, be safe out on the roads and ride on. PK's Bike Shop.